you gowns that shimmer and shine and shake.
Rags are royal raiment, sir, when worn for virtue's sake.
Little does she realize that she is in my power. The mortgage on her home is due in less than half an hour.
Right. Okay!
Boo yourself! Curses! My arch rival! But he shall not have her!